From time to time, a vehicle appears that genuinely shifts expectations. The 2026 GMC Savana Ultimate 6x6 is one of those rare machines. For years, the Savana name has been associated with durability and honest American strength. Now, it enters a new era, blending proven toughness with a surprising level of luxury for a full-size van. At first glance, the presence is undeniable. The bold chrome grille and signature GMC badge project confidence. Clean LED lighting adds a modern touch without feeling excessive. Its extended body and triple-axle configuration create a powerful stance that stands out immediately. This is not a design chasing short-lived trends. It is built to look solid and relevant for years to come. Along the sides, the proportions remain balanced despite its substantial size. Sculpted body panels catch the light with depth, while large alloy wheels strengthen its commanding profile. The extra rear axle is not merely for show. It improves stability and load capacity, reinforcing the Savana's unique position in the luxury segment. Every detail suggests thoughtful engineering and long-term reliability. Inside, the atmosphere becomes calm and refined. Premium leather seats, precise stitching, and carefully chosen materials create a sense of lasting quality. The seating is wide and supportive, clearly designed for extended drives. Whether on the highway or a weekend getaway, comfort remains a priority. The dashboard combines modern features with straightforward functionality. A clear digital instrument cluster presents information without distraction. The central infotainment display is large, easy to read, and simple to operate. Importantly, physical controls are still available, offering convenience that many drivers appreciate. Comfort features are equally impressive. Multi-zone climate control keeps the cabin pleasant in any season. Heated and ventilated seats add another level of refinement. A panoramic roof allows natural light to fill the interior, enhancing the feeling of space. On the road, the Savana Ultimate 6x6 delivers a smooth and confident ride. Power is steady and controlled. The strengthened suspension absorbs road imperfections with ease, making highway cruising relaxed and secure. Even in urban settings, it remains composed despite its size. This vehicle prioritizes stability and comfort over unnecessary showmanship. Advanced driver assistance systems operate discreetly, supporting safety and peace of mind. Features such as adaptive cruise control and lane guidance contribute to a reassuring driving experience. What truly distinguishes the 2026 GMC Savana Ultimate 6x6 is its character. It merges traditional American strength with executive-level refinement in a way few vehicles attempt. Rather than copying others, it stands firmly on its own identity. For those who value presence, craftsmanship, and long-term comfort, this Savana offers something genuinely different. If you enjoyed this review, please like, subscribe to Mobyx Auto, and share your thoughts below. Would this be your ultimate luxury van? Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.